Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the two essentials: correct account contact and a reliable connection. First, open settings and confirm the Samsung account email or phone number you used. If it's wrong, update it now. Once done, make sure your phone is on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular link and airplane mode is off. Also set date and time to automatic so certificates validate. These steps prevent common rejections and let the server accept a new code request immediately. Now request the code and apply targeted fixes while you wait. Tap resend only after about 60 seconds to avoid throttling. Rapid retries often block delivery. If nothing arrives, go to Apps, clear cache for Samsung account or force stop the app, then reopen and request again. Also switch delivery method. Pick SMS, voice call, or email depending on what's listed, because carriers sometimes drop SMS while voice or email works. These measures address both app and carrier issues. Finish by trying alternate reception paths and a final reset. If you still lack a code, request it on another device or sign in at account. Samsung. Calm to receive email instead. This separates device-specific problems from account issues. Make sure you don't have filters or blocked senders and check spam. If nothing works, restart the phone and as a last resort reset network settings to clear stuck configurations. If you continue to fail, contact Samsung support with time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.